Let me guess. You bought a good machine, your favorite beans, and somehow your coffee still doesn't taste like the barista coffee. It might be bitter, sour, weak, or just inconsistent. One day is good, the other day is not. If that's you, you are in the right place. I'm Carol. I'm the person behind the Brew. I've been making coffee at home now for over a year. I've learned that home coffee is not about doing everything perfect. It's about doing everything correctly and consistently. I know how frustrating it is when you buy a machine, you've got the coffees, and still the results don't match with your barista coffee. You watch one video that says, change the grind, and then you watch a video that says, change the dose, and then another one that says, maybe the problem are the beans. And someone else comes to you and says, you need a new tool. You change 5 things at once, and when it tastes better or worse, you don't actually know why. That's why people stay stuck. They don't have a process. They have random advice. If you control a few key variables one at a time, coffee becomes simple. So, instead of guessing, I'll show you how to dial in espresso or make espresso, fix sour or bitter shots, texture your milk properly, and build a simple workflow you can repeat every morning. I personally use the Breville Barista Pro, and I must say, this machine is definitely capable of making barista quality coffee at home. Guys, this is not a collab, but if you have a Breville Barista Pro, you're gonna love this. On this channel, I'm going to share what actually makes the biggest difference when making coffee at home. Not complicated techniques, not fancy cafe tricks, just small adjustments. It's going to turn your okay coffee into a wow 5 minutes. If you ever felt overwhelmed, frustrated, trying to improve your coffee, this space is free. If you're starting now, you don't need to know everything. You don't need to buy all the equipment. You only need someone to guide you through it, one step at a time. So, I would love to know where you are at right now. Are you thinking to buy a machine? Are you happy with your coffee? Or do you think your coffee can get better, but you don't know what to do and what to change? Let me know in the comments. It really helps me shape what I share next week. In the next video, I'll start breaking down the most common mistakes it happens at home. If you just started your coffee journey at home and wish your coffee start better consistently, make sure you follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.